Hi there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download the Chrome app in iPhone. Launch the App Store and within the App Store search for Chrome. Go to Chrome. You will see this first result which is Google Chrome. Tap on it and you would be able to see this cloud icon, or you will also have the get command or get button here. Just tap on that, and if you are installing it for the first time, you might even need to validate with your passcode or your Face ID. Once done, the Chrome will be downloaded. Right now you can see it is being downloaded and it is taking 1 minute of time, so let's skip this part. The download has been completed and now you will be able to see this open button or open command. Just tap on it and it will launch the Chrome app. That's it. Please hit the like button if you find this video helpful and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers.